Today is February 17th, 2011. Sophie is 14 weeks old. She'll be 15 weeks old tomorrow. We're about to show how she can roll from her stomach to her back. She'll need a little assistance rolling from back to stomach. So we'll just roll her over. We roll over, roll over. Okay, now Sophie is on her stomach. Whoa! And then she'll roll back over onto her back. Wow, Sophie! You want to do it again? A roll over. Here, I'll give you some assistance. Roll onto your belly. And look at that amazing head control. Look at that head control. And then when she's ready, we'll let her roll onto her back. Do you want to roll onto your back, sweet girl? Hey! You want to roll onto your back? Don't worry, we've got a hand on her at all times. She couldn't be safer. You want to roll onto your back? You want to stay on your belly? She's going to roll over. Sophie Powell is going to roll over. You going? You working? You working on it? There she goes. There she goes. Yay! Sophie! Yay!